Hi, preschool families. Miss Christine here today to demonstrate another activity, and the name of this activity is called Playing with Environmental Print. Now, environmental print is just the writing or the logos that are on different boxes, like the logo for McDonald's, the logo for different foods, for toys, for example, like Barbie or Hot Wheels, like those kind of things. That's called environmental print. It's things you see out in the environment. So it's easy things for children to be able to read in the beginning because they recognize what is in the box because they already know what it is. So for example, I have a fruit roll-up box, and most kids will know that there's fruit roll-ups in this box because they've already made the connection that when this box gets opened and something is given to them from it, it's a fruit roll-up. So they start to see this writing that's on the front of the box, and they make that connection. Every time they see this, they start to make the connection that that is a fruit roll-up. So the same with peanut butter. So when they see this jar, they know they might get a peanut butter sandwich. So when they see the jar, they know that there's peanut butter in here, and they're able to make the connection that this stands for peanut butter. So these are early literacy skills, and it's just a simple activity that you can do at home. You obviously do it with whatever you have at home. So you just pull out a food container, and then you ask them to tell you about what they see on the jar. Now, they might talk about the different colors. They might talk about letters. They might talk about the word. They might actually be able to tell you what it is. And you can just help them to make those connections that this is called Jif and it's creamy peanut butter. It's just one of the things that they have to learn when they're learning to read. It's just another one of those early literacy skills that helps them to move along. Goldfish crackers, for example, you can ask them about the package. They could tell you that they see a cracker, they see some cheese. When they see this symbol and they see this little guy right here, they probably already connected to goldfish crackers. So it helps them once they make the connection that this is goldfish crackers, just from looking at the logo, the writing, they can start to connect that this actually says goldfish crackers. So it's a very simple activity. Like I said, you just use the materials around your house. Some of the first things that kids are able to read are the restaurant signs like McDonald's, Burger King, Taco Bell. They recognize those signs and they're able to say, that's McDonald's or that's Burger King. So that's a way that they use environmental print to read. So they just make those connections, and eventually those connections will lead to understanding that print is something that is useful and can help them along in life. I hope you enjoy the activity. Let me know how it goes.